哟
哟，甜蜜死了，他人呢？哟，甜蜜死了，他人呢？ So look at her smile. It's so romantic. So 甜蜜死了，甜蜜 means romantic. Romantic. 甜蜜死了 means so romantic. Damn romantic. Sweet and it's kind of like a sweet romantic, isn't it? I mean, this kind of romance is so sweet. So we say 甜. So 甜蜜死了 means the sweet romance is so damn good. It's so damn romantic. 甜蜜死了。Sometimes we say 甜死了，甜死了。他人呢？ Here we don't say 他在哪。More natively we say 他人呢？他人呢？ So it's more casual and it's more native.
甜蜜死了，他人呢？
iPad 说马上就到了，就在门口。
哟，甜蜜死了，他人呢
？iPad 说马上就到了，就在门。
iPad 说马上就到了，就在门口。iPad 说马上就到了，就在门口。iPad. So iPad is the name of that guy. Yes, is the name of that guy. Here I made a mistake. I should delete 它 here. Like is iPad 说马上就到了，就在门口。说 said 马上就到了，马上 soon 就到了。Right there will be right there. He will be right there. He will be right here. 就在门口，就在门口，在门口 at the door. 就在门口 right at the door. So you know how to use it. You know how to use it here. So iPad 说马上就到了，就在门口。iPad 说马上就到了，就在门口。
好。
哟，甜蜜死了，他人呢
？iPad 说马上就到了，就在门口。
iPad
对啊，它是满族后裔，是爱新觉罗的爱，气派的派，道德的德，就在门口。
iPad. Are you kidding me?
对啊，它是满族后。
对呀，他是满族后裔。对呀，他是满族后裔。
后裔是爱新觉罗的爱，气派的派，道德的德。
So this is how you're gonna introduce yourself. This is a very good example to introduce yourself. So next time when you introduce yourself, you can use this format to be more natural and more native. 是爱新觉罗的爱，气派的派，道德的德。爱新觉罗。
我猜他一定很喜欢苹果。
我猜他一定很喜欢苹果。Do you know why? Because iPhone is Apple. We say Apple. The Apple stands for iPhone. Apple. So she said, I bet he must like apples. 我猜他一定很喜欢苹果。
族后裔是爱新觉罗的爱，气派的派，道德的德。我猜他一定很喜欢苹果。iPad在这儿。我很喜欢苹果。iPad在这儿。
iPad, we are here. iPad, we are here. iPad 在这 is here. Like we are here.
你们好，我是 iPad。你们好，我是
iPad. Hello everyone. iPad.
是 iPad。
我凌乱了。
means I'm confused. I'm messed. Seriously? 我凌乱了。If if you wanna know more about what's happening next, go check out that video and I'll see you there.